Introducing Dydronic-20 Extended Release Tablets, powered by Dydrogesterone 20 milligrams, designed to bring stability, relief, and reassurance in every dose. With its extended release technology, Dydronic-20 ensures steady hormonal support throughout the day, minimizing fluctuations and enhancing compliance. It is highly effective in managing luteal phase defects, menstrual irregularities, dysmenorrhea, threatened miscarriage, and endometriosis, offering a safe, non-androgenic, and well-tolerated progesterone therapy. Because when hormones stay balanced, life flows naturally. Dydronic-20 ER Tablets, trusted hormonal balance. Day-long relief, presented by Human Gynaecare, a division of Human Biolife India Private Limited, dedicated to women's wellness